So this model here is called the Filthy Rich, and it's looking at the issue of cryptocurrency. So there's been these kind of competing ideas for where Puerto Rico should go in its redevelopment. And so you have a lot of these tech investors called the Puertopians that are interested in turning the islands into mining dens, blockchain mining for cryptocurrency. So this model looks at all the energy that's needed for blockchain mining. And so this model proposes that you could use soil energy, which is generated by the microbes and the mycelial networks that are underground in the soil. And when they're converting carbon, which gets into the soil, into nutrients that then is absorbed through the plant's root, it produces an electrical current. And that's where the electricity is coming that you can see over here is charging this iPhone. And if you look closely, you can see the current rate of Bitcoin in relation to the Puertopia currency. This model here is called When Life Gives You Lemons, and it looks at the issue of asymmetrical information. So when you buy a bad car, it's called a lemon because you didn't get all the information, or a bad investment, right? You didn't have all the information. So this is an actual lemon battery. It's charging this, powering this LED right here. And this model is looking at the issue of the power outage, when all the power, basically 100% of the power of the island went out right after Hurricane Maria. And rethinking how are they going to get the whole power grid back up, this possibly could be a solution using lemons. This model is called rolling in the dough. And what we're looking at is common bread mold, found most often on white bread. It's called Rhizopus stolonifer. And we're looking at the bread mold, which reproduces exponentially within the context of Puerto Rico's debt, which is currently $73 billion and rising. And so if we could analyze the reproduction of bread mold within the context of Puerto Rico's debt, we might be able to find some solutions.